important rule of this. This is the important point of this rule, which is V, L, and D can never be repeated. We can't repeat V, L, and D. Now class, our next rule is rule of addition. In this rule, if a smaller number is written to the right side, which side? Right side of the greatest number, that means we are adding the number. Let's take the example. If I am writing there V and on the right side I place I, which side? Right side. That means I am adding 5 in 1 and our answer is 6. Similarly, if I am writing V on the right side of X, that means I am adding 5 in 10. So our answer is 15. Next, if I am writing X on the right side of C, that means I am adding 100 plus 10 and our answer is 110. So remember class, if we are writing a smaller number to the right side of a greatest number, so all time we will add it. Class, our third rule is rule of subtraction. It is slightly different from the rule of addition, which is if a smaller number is written to the left side. Which side class? Left side of the greatest number, that means we are subtracting the number. Like class, let's take the example. If I am writing I on the left side of V, which side? Left side. That means I am subtracting 1 from 5 and our answer is 4. Like I am writing X from the left side of L. I am writing X from the left side of L, which means I am subtracting 10 from 50 and our answer is 40. If I am writing C on the left side of D, that means I am subtracting 100 from 500. So our answer is 400. So class, if we are writing a smaller number to the left side of a greater number, that means we are subtracting the number. But class, there are some 3 rules which identify that, which tell us that from which we can subtract the number. Class, I can be subtracted from only V and X, and X can be subtracted only L and C can be subtracted only D, L, M only. So class, I, from which number we can subtract I? V and X. And from which number we can subtract X? L and C from D and M. And again class, the family of 5, which is V, L and D, can never be written on the left side of any number. We can't write V, L and D to the left side of any number. We can't subtract it. So remember class, I can be subtracted only V and X can be subtracted only L and C can be subtracted only D and M. So class, apart from that, we have one more rule in the Roman numbers, which is if a smaller number is written between the 2 greater number, it is always subtracted from the number written on the right side. Like if I am writing there X, C, I, X. Okay. So class, you can check C